Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. I have been solving math problems for GRE out of this book here, practicing to take the GRE General Test, the 10th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it in order to prepare for the exam. The problem that I'm about to solve is the one that you're going to find on page number 376, quantitative comparison question number 15. Excuse me. We have finally arrived at our destination. I have been solving every single quantitative comparison question in this book. There are 7 exams in this book. Each exam has 2 sections of math, and each math section has 15 quantitative comparison questions. So there are 7 exams, each with 2 math sections, and each with 15 quantitative, each section with 15 quantitative comparison questions. So we have 15 times 2 in each exam times 7. So there are 210 quantitative comparison questions apparently, 30 times 7. I have done every single one of them, well 209 to be precise, because we are doing the very last one right now. If there is any quantitative comparison question that is giving you trouble and you would like to see how we would approach it together, just type in this tag GRE-10E for 10th edition of the book, then the page number dash, and then the page number, and then QC for quantitative comparison question, and just type in a question number and it will pop right up. Okay, let's do number 15. I need the room. I need to put the picture. So I need the room. I'm going to erase this thing here. Well, let's leave it here. Well, here's a straight line. Here's a straight line, and they tell you that this is Z. Well, if this is Z, the question is, how much is this guy? Can you tell me? Well, if that is Z, we all know that the straight line is 180 degrees. So if that is Z, this would have to be 180 minus Z. And then they give you another line which this is Y and this is X. Watch what happens. Now what can you tell me about the sum of these 3 angles? These 3 angles. Let's christen this a triangle so we can talk about it. So let's call this triangle ABC. Triangle A, B and C. Again, we all know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. So X plus Y plus this angle, which we just found out, this angle right here, which we just found out is 180 minus Z, because this is Z. 180 minus Z, we all know equals 180. What they give you in the second column is Y by itself. So let's bring the Y by itself. Well, the very first thing we notice is that I see 180 here and 180 here. If you will subtract 180 from both sides, this 180 drops out. I want to bring the Y by itself, so let's add Z to both sides. That Z drops out and we get X plus Y equals Z. And then we need Y by itself, so let's subtract X from both sides. And Y equals, voila, Y equals Y minus Z. Y equals Z minus X. This is your column B. So here what we found is Y equals Z minus X. Well, this is your column B. And this Y, Z minus X is what appears in column A. And we just found out that it is equal. Voila, column B equals column A. The answer is C. That's all. That's it, we are done. About 30% of the people who took the exam got this question right. 70% of the people had some trouble with it. But that's all there is. If you like, I can do it again one more time, slowly. I'm going to do it one more time again with the picture. Here's the line. Here's the underline. we are told, okay, I'm going to do it again if you like, slowly. We are told that this is z. Well, if this is z, then this angle here, would have to be 180 minus z, because it's a straight line. This thing is a straight line. A straight line is a 180 degrees. Then they give you another one. They call this y and they call this x. Well, now we have a triangle here. Let's call it triangle A, B, C. In the triangle ABC, we know that sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. Therefore, x plus y plus this angle, which is 180 minus z, has to equal 180. Subtract 180 from both sides, 180 drops out. Now we need y by itself, because that's what appears in the second column. Y appears by itself, so I'm trying to bring the y by itself. If I want the y by itself, add z to both sides. So I can get rid of this z here. Now, so we end up with x plus y equals z. I want y by itself, so let's subtract x. So that drops out this x, and we end up with y equals z minus x. Y equals z minus x. This is our column B. This is our column A, right here. Column B equals column A, therefore the answer is C. Et voila, that's it. So here's the same problem done one more time. It's the exact same thing. Okay. I hope you found it helpful. If you wish to get hold of me for personal private tutoring, face-to-face tutoring, I also do tutoring over the internet via Skype, and I also tutor over the telephone. If there is anything at all that I can do to help you prepare for the exam, go to my website at www.prep4gre.com and send me an email. Or you can go to www.KeshwaniPrep.com and send me an email from there. Alright? Thank you.